How to prepare matcha green tea. Matcha prepared in this manner is relaxing and centered, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of the present. Don't stress over too much about the steps. This tutorial is meant to make you feel at ease in preparing a cup of matcha tea, in the comfort of your own home. Contrary to the common belief that it needs special steps to make one. So let's get started. First, put 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha green tea onto a cup. Then pour 2 ounces of hot water. Use water just under a boil for best results. Using a matcha whisk or chasen, vigorously whisk tea in a zigzag motion until frothy. Now all that's left is to enjoy your matcha green tea straight from the cup, or pour onto a serving cup. I hope this has been helpful, and you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.